Hey, welcome back to the lecture. So in the last lecture, you booted the board through the system memory, isn't it? So that means the bootloader must be running by now in your hardware. So before communicating with the bootloader, okay, let's learn some of the features of the ST's native bootloader, which is there in the system memory. For this, there is a nice application note. Okay, here it is. So this is a application note you have to refer in order to fully understand the STM32 microcontroller system memory boot mode. So this is designed by ST and it has huge features like it supports communicating over UART peripheral, CAN, USB, I2C, SPI, etc. Okay, and they use a communication protocol which is actually not a standardized protocol in order to communicate with external world and the bootloader. So the packet format, what they use to exchange between host and the target is all ST specific, and how that is designed, what is the flow chart of the bootloader, everything is discussed in this document. So it is really worth to invest time in reading this document. And this document has some general discussion about the bootloader, and it has separate section for different families, okay, of microcontrollers from ST. For example, let's go to one family. Let's say I go to STM32F446 devices bootloader. So when I go here, okay, so it actually describes through which peripheral the bootloader communicates with the host. So in this table you are seeing here, it has the capability to talk to the host over the UART peripheral, UART1, UART3, okay, or it can even talk to CAN peripheral, okay, I2C1, I2C2, etc., even through the USB and CAN2 peripheral. So even it can talk to the host over USB. And this is a nice flow chart about the initialization of the bootloader and how it receives packets, okay, how it polls for the different peripherals, etc. And in this course we are going to write our own custom bootloader, okay, so that's the objective of this course. And in our bootloader, okay, we will support the bootloader and host communication over the UART peripheral. And of course, you can always extend this your custom bootloader in order to support more and more communication protocols like I2C, SPI, USB, etc. Okay, so that you can always extend.